Hence, we come to the next topic of today, which is tsunami. Tsunami, which where T is pronounced, which is not included actually. Tsunami is a phenomena in which a series of powerful waves cause a surge in the water that can occasionally reach heights of many meters. So tsunami, it's a phenomena. It's a phenomena where a series of powerful waves it causes a surge in the water and it can occasionally reach heights of many meters. In some occasions, it can reach heights of many meters, and this is a natural disaster brought on by a volcano eruption beneath the Earth's surface. It's a natural disaster. We can see that it's a natural disaster which is caused by a volcanic eruption beneath the Earth's surface. So tsunami is a natural phenomena which is caused by the volcanic eruption beneath the Earth's surface. Additionally, landslides and earthquakes are factors in the development of tsunamis. So as such, we see that it's a volcanic eruption. It's a volcanic eruption caused in the Earth's surface, and it's the outcome of the it's the outcome of the volcanic eruption, and it's a natural disaster. So till now, we have understood that tsunami is actually a series of natural waves, which is a series of powerful waves, and it causes a surge and can occasionally reach heights of many meters, and it's a natural disaster which is caused by volcanic eruption beneath the Earth's surface. Additionally, landslides and earthquakes are factors in the development of tsunamis. The tsunami has a significant impact just like other natural disasters. History demonstrates that devastation that the tsunami causes. History shows the devastation that a natural disaster like tsunami causes. Tsunami essay describes or discusses various causes of the tsunami and the harm it causes to the humanity. We will discuss about the causes of tsunami and the harm that it causes the humanity. So now we come back to the term of what does the term tsunami mean? So what is actually the meaning of the term tsunami? The term tsunami refers to the disaster whose primary focal point is underwater. So it's arising from the underwater, and it's brought on by the waves generated in the ocean due to an earthquake. So it's basically brought on by waves. Waves are actually taking place, and it's taking place in the ocean, and it's caused due to a earthquake. Tsunami is also the term used to describe tidal waves. It's also the same term. It's the same term which we can use to describe the tidal waves. As a result, a series of ocean waves with a very long wavelength is also referred to as tsunami. Tsunami, we can also describe the series of oceanic waves. Ocean waves with a very long wavelength. Okay. So it's also tsunami. Strong waves of water are created due to the tsunami and are moving inland. So tsunami it creates strong waves of water, and it actually moves inland. Thus, a large scale prolonged inland movement of water is caused by this. Hence, the inland movement of water means water is moving towards the land. It's moving inland, and it's actually causing a series of waves of water moving inland. As a result, those waves have a significant impact. When the waves reach the land, they have a significant impact. The first people to report the effects of tsunami were the Greeks. Were the people. They were the first to report the impact of tsunami, the effect of tsunami. They assert that earthquakes on land and tsunamis are identical. Tsunami somehow has a similarity with the earthquake on land. Moreover, the only distinction, a tsunami is caused by an earthquake in the ocean. There is only one distinction, that is tsunami is caused by the earthquake, and as we see, the earthquake in the ocean is the tsunami, and it has some kind of similarity with the earthquake caused in the land. Because of this, it's almost impossible to control the size and intensity of tsunami, because tsunami is actually it's caused due to the earthquake in the ocean. As such, we cannot control the intensity, we cannot control the size of tsunami. History of tsunami. According to historical records, highest tsunami was recorded on July 9, 1958. On 9th July 1958, we witnessed the largest tsunami, the largest ever, the highest ever tsunami, and it got witnessed along the Alaskan coast. A significant amount of rock fell from a nearby cliff into the bay after the earthquake. Earthquake happened as such a small cliff, a small, not a small, actually significant amount of rock fall down from a cliff, and it happened due to the earthquake. As a result, there was an impact which led to a 55 to 4 meter high wave. The 524 meters high wave was caused due to the earthquake, which resulted in a significant amount of rock falling from the cliff. Additionally, this is regarded as one of the highest tsunami waves ever recorded. So this 524 meter wave, this got recorded as one of the highest ever tsunami witnessed. The destructive waves that cause tsunamis are also generated in the bays and lakes. This water gets bigger, and as it gets closer to the coast, the depth of water becomes higher and higher when it moves to the coast. In the deep sea regions, however, the size of the wave is very small. If we think about the deep sea regions, near the sea regions, the depth of the water is quite small. The waves produced by tsunami in the lakes or bays do not propagate very far. If it is happening in the lake or the bay, it does not move quite far. It does not move along quite far. As a result, they are quite less destructive than those created in the ocean waters. If it is in the ocean water, it will cause more impact, and if it is in the lake or the bay, it will cause less impact. The main point of a tsunami is that it can send waves in many different directions. Tsunami, it can actually cause waves propagating in different directions, from one direction to another. In different directions, waves will get propagated. The Pacific Ocean is where tsunamis mostly happen, and if there is an ocean where tsunamis mostly happen, it's the Pacific Ocean. They are less likely to occur. They are very likely to occur in the area with more substantial bodies. Open bays and coastlines made tsunamis propagation into a wave resembling a step in very deep waters. Okay.